Para sa lahat ng in love at sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng love, para sa inyo to. Love isn't always easy. Minsan, hindi laging masaya. May mga pagkakataong mapapagod ka, mako-confuse ka, masasaktan ka, iiyak ka. So, love is not always a fairy tale. It's a roller coaster ride. And to love someone, to truly love someone, I believe is the bravest thing to do. Kasi when you choose to love someone, you're choosing to stay eh. Pipiliin mo yung taong yun despite of everything. You love that person regardless, no matter what. They have imperfections, they have flaws, they have bad attitudes, they have a lot of negative sides, but you chose to love them. Love them despite all that. And I think that's the essence of true love. Real love isn't just finding the right person. I'm not a love expert, okay? But for me, I have a fair share of, heartbreaks and love at the same time. True love is when you love a person despite of their imperfections. Yung mamahalin mo sila without any reasons, without any conditions, without any prerequisites, kumbaga. Diba? Kasi we have to realize that loving someone is actually choosing to stay. Loving someone is also a compromise. You have to sacrifice something. Hindi kasi dapat one-sided lang eh. Hindi dapat na ikaw kasi lalaki ka, ikaw laging nasusunod. Or kaya ikaw dahil babae ka, ikaw lagi dapat masaya. Sometimes you have to compromise, and it should be give and take. It shouldn't be one-sided lang. You deserve to be loved fairly at the same time. How do I define real and true love? If I love a person despite of everything or in spite of everything. Yun lang. I hope that helps. Have a great day.